What if I told you that this little basket helped me grow fresh garlic leaves and even garlic bulbs right at home, with almost no space and zero gardening experience? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stay with me, because I'm about to show you the entire journey, from empty soil all the way to a beautiful harvest. And once you learn this, you'll never want to buy garlic from the store again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite, most rewarding gardening experiences: growing garlic in a simple basket. Yes, a regular plastic basket with drainage holes is enough to get you started. And trust me, the results are amazing. So let's begin. I first filled the basket with a well-draining potting. Mix a combination of garden soil, compost, and a little bit of sand. Garlic absolutely needs soil that stays loose and airy, because if water sits around the cloves, they can rot. I mixed in some vermicompost too. Think of it as a natural booster that gives the plant steady nutrition over time. Now comes the magical part: planting. I took fresh garlic bulbs and gently separated them into individual cloves. Always choose large, healthy cloves. Skip the tiny or damaged ones. I planted each clove with the pointed side facing up, about 2 to 3 inches deep, leaving around 3 to 4 inches of space between them so every plant has room to grow comfortably. After planting, I gave the soil a light watering, just enough to moisten it. Then I placed the basket where it gets 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight daily, because garlic absolutely loves the sun. And then, the moment every gardener waits for. Just a few days later, tiny green shoots began poking through the soil, thin, blade-like, and full of life. It's such an exciting sight. From this point, I watered regularly, but always carefully, making sure not to overwater. Week by week, those shoots grew taller and stronger. Every 15 to 20 days, I fed them liquid organic fertilizer or compost tea to keep them energized and growing fast. Soon, the leaves turned into long, vibrant green blades, almost like soft, grassy ribbons swaying in the breeze. It's beautiful to watch, and honestly, you can feel the plants getting healthier day by day. And here's the best part: when the leaves become lush and fully grown, you can start harvesting garlic greens. They're incredibly nutritious and add amazing flavor to salads, stir fries, and anything you cook. Just trim the outer leaves carefully with scissors or a knife, leaving the inner young leaves so the plant keeps growing and producing more.